In the previous video of model paper second chemistry 2025, we have seen the question number 28, where we have covered these definitions, and I suggested you that the only definitions are enough, and out of 5, only 4 definitions were required. But they have given you choice that whether you attempt these definitions or you explain this next question that is related to buckyballs. Define buckyballs. So definitely 1 mark for definition. Explain its structure. Diagram is not required, so we don't need to draw the diagram. Thank you for mentioning this. So it would be of 1 mark in my view. So 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, and write 2 properties and 2 uses. So it means 0.5 for each property. So 1 mark for the properties and 0.5 for each uses. So in this way, you will get 4 marks. I have explained this answer, and with the explanation of this answer, I will suggest you that how can you short this answer. First, definition. You must cover the definition that buckyball is a C60 molecule in the form of a hollow sphere of about 1 nanometer diameter. C60 molecule, which comprises 12 5-membered rings and 12 pentagons, and 20 hexagons, means 26-membered rings. So this is the definition. I suggest you that you remember this definition, that you must include that this is a C60 molecule. It is a hollow sphere. 1 nanometer is the diameter. Even you can ignore this in the definition, but you should include that there are 12 5-membered ring and 20 6-membered ring. Or you can short your definition by writing that buckyball is a C60 molecule in the form of hollow sphere, which comprises hexagons and pentagons. Don't mention, because in the next part, you have to explain the structure. But I think it doesn't matter if you introduce these a few words in your definition. So you will be on the safe side. So now the structure of the buckyball. So these things are repeated here, that each buckyball is a molecule of 60 carbon atoms, which comprises 12 pentagons and 20 hexagons. Each pentagon is surrounded by hexagons, forming a hollow cage-like structure. So everything that was in the definition, it is also in explanation. So that's why I was telling you that you can use a few words in the definition. You can remove some of the words from the definition. But we don't know whether this complete question will be in the examination or not. So I suggest you to you suggest you better to write the complete definition, and if the some of the statements are repeated, then no problem, you will be at safe side. Now, properties of the buckyballs. Buckyballs have high tensile strength and exhibit high degree of stability with melting point of 2800 degrees Celsius. Actually, if you observe that, this is not the single property, it includes the 3 properties. I have taken the whole sentence from your textbook, but actually these are the 3 different properties. Similarly, in the next point, they are lightweight with a large surface area and good conductor of electricity. So actually, these are the 6 properties, and you are asked to write only the 2 properties. So I think I suggest my respected teachers that they should consider that if an student, if a student has written any of these 2 out of 6, they should consider, and they should mark, they should award the complete full marks. And uses of buckyballs. Buckyballs are used in nanotechnology such as nanoscale sensor and drug delivery system. And it is also used in high storage batteries and electronic devices. And similarly, actually, these are the two uses, and two uses are here. So if any student has written out of for any of these two, he should be awarded full marks because this question was of the 4 marks. So if you consider that for 4 marks, so ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि स्टूडेंट जो है इतना कुछ लिखें, क्योंकि हम उसकी सिर्फ नॉलेज को चेक करें. इफ अ स्टूडेंट इज राइटिंग एनी टू, इट मींस he has studied, he knows well about the buckyballs, he knows the nanotechnology, the use of the buckyballs in nanotechnology. So हमें अपनी बुक के ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. ये सजेशन मेरी जो है मेरे अपने रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स के लिए है. और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मैं ये कहूंगा कि अगर आपके पास एनएफ स्पेस है, जैसे कि इस साल ई शीट पे पेपर नहीं हो रहा है, तो फिर आप लोग जो हैं अगर लिख सकते हैं तो आप लिख दीजिए, क्योंकि इजाफी लिखने के कोई मार्क्स डिडक्ट नहीं होते हैं. लेकिन साथ साथ मेरी अपने असाजा से भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि स्टूडेंट की इस चीज़ को कंसिडर किया जाए कि अगर वो एनफ इंफॉर्मेशन आपको दे रहे हैं तो आप उनको फुल मार्क्स अवार्ड करें.